Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this JVC dual cassette player and recorder to show you. The model number is TD-W330J. But before we get into it, did you know that a 90-minute cassette is 443 feet long? If you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your line input and output. The input is for recording and the output is for playback. And then you have CompuLink Synchro right there. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output, and if you plan on doing recording, you can connect another device through the input and then plug in your power cord. And then you can go ahead and insert a cassette once you have it all wired up. And you can connect this to just about any speaker, but I would recommend using something similar to what you see here. On the front panel of the device, there's a power button, Dolby NR switch. You can set it to off, B, or C. And then there's a phone jack for connecting some headphones. And then an eject button. And the left deck is going to be your record deck and playback deck. And then the right deck is for just playback. And then you have a counter right here. You can reset it by pushing that button. And then there's a record button, play and stop button, and then pause, rewind, and fast forward. And then you can adjust the input level right here. It's got a sliding mechanism. And then there's a normal speed and high speed dubbing. You can switch between the two. And then you have a play button, stop button, rewind and fast forward button. And then you have another eject button for this deck. And then there's a peak level meter right here, as you can see. And down here it says you have auto tape select and 2-speed 1-touch synchro dubbing. That's pretty much all there is for this JVC dual cassette player and recorder. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.